basicity of amines depend upon the comparative of the structure and basicity relationship of amines with ammonia. Ammonia is also basic in nature and amines, alkane amines also basic in nature. Which basis you will go for? It is a basicity when the ammonia or amine, when base is react with, when it is having a amines or ammonia is react with acid to form a stable or it is having a carbocation. When the amines is react with protonation or react with acid to form it is a charges or carbocation. On the basis of stability of ions, on the basis of stability of ion, basicity is increases. If the stability is increases means basicity also increases. We will go for one by one. I will take it is a compare with amines and ammonia. Suppose here amines means the general formula of amines RNH2. This is a alkyl amines. We will go for compare with alkyne amines and ammonia. This is the alkane amines and next we will go for this is ammonia. Okay, just you will compare with here ammonia, this is amine, okay, both which contain lone pair of electrons, amines nitrogen which contain lone pair electrons, ammonia is also contain lone pair electrons. When it is accept proton from acid or amines or ammonia is react with acid means here acid means it is H plus, here also acid is H plus. Okay, here the protonation abstract the protons, protonation here also to form protonation, ammonia is also form protonation, amines is also form protonation to form stability of ion, to form stability of ion. Here are NH protonation, protonation means addition of proton when it is react with the charges is carbocation, this is charges, this is a ammonium salt charges, here also alkyl ammonium and here also only ammonium salt. Okay, both it is having ions is there, which one is more stable, that is the basicity is increases. On the basis of previous class we have already discussed in pKb value of basicity. If the pKb value is increases means basicity is decreases. If the pKb value is decreases means basicity is increases. Okay, on this factor we will go for compare with alkyl amine and ammonia. This is alkyl amine and ammonia. It is both it is having accept of electrons. Next we will go for alkyl amine and ammonia. When it is alkyl amine and ammonia means here alkyl amine RNH2. RNH2 it is a amines which contain lone pair electrons. Alkyl group it is a releasing electrons. When alkyl group is releasing electrons to nitrogen, it is a positive inductive effect. When the positive inductive effect is there means the basicity is to form a ammonium salt, alkane ammonium salt. Due to inductive effect, which inductive effect? Positive inductive effect, basicity is increases. We will compare with alkyl amines, here the basicity is increases. Coming to here, basic nature of primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine with alkyl amine. This is the alkyl amine means we will go for first one. Alkyl amine. Alkyl amine basicity. Alkyl amine basicity. Here the tertiary, primary, secondary and tertiary amine. If the electron density or electron releasing group is increases means basicity is also increases. Coming to here the tertiary amines is there. I will write tertiary amine. This is the tertiary amine. When tertiary amine, it is having a here also releasing group, releasing group, releasing group. Tertiary amine is more basic than secondary amine. Here how many releasing group? 2 releasing group. Here the 2 releasing group, electron releasing group, secondary amine, and the secondary amine is more basic than primary amine. This is the stability of ions. Okay, here only 1 releasing group, here 2 releasing group, here 3 releasing group. Here the tertiary amines is more basic than secondary amines. Secondary amine is more basic than primary amine. If it is only in which phase? This is very, very important. Gaseous phase. In aqueous phase, what will happen? When aqueous phase, here the formation of solvation effect is there. Here solvation effect, what will happen? The primary amine which contain 2 hydrogen, if the 2 hydrogen means it is when it is dissolved in water, when it is dissolved in water, it is a O oxygen which contain lone pair electrons to form hydrogen bond with this hydrogen and this hydrogen. Primary amine is a stability of solvation. Primary amine is more stable than secondary. Secondary is more stable than tertiary. In stability, in ionic media, in solvation, not basicity. Not basicity. If the basicity means in gaseous phase, depend upon electron releasing group, alkyl group, tertiary is more basic than secondary. Secondary is more basic than primary. This is the basicity of amines, alkyl amines. Basicity of alkyl amines in which phase? Which phase? Gaseous phase. But in aqueous phase means, here if it is having a methyl group, ethyl group, alkyl means here methyl and ethyl group. If the methyl amines is there and dimethyl amines is there, trimethyl amines is there. If what will happen, it is depend upon the resonance effect. If they depend upon resonance effect, it is a basicity, it will change. If the, in case here, I will take examples. I will take examples of methyl amines. Here methyl amines, what will happen? The first one will go for methyl amine. Methyl amine CH3 NH2. Okay. This is a methyl amine. It is a one methyl group is there. This is a methyl amine. It is a electron releasing group, okay, but the trend is changed. In aqueous methyl group is there means, and dimethylamine means CH3NH CH3. This is a dimethylamine. This is the dimethylamine, and the tertiary amine also CH3N CH3. Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, when it is a alkyl is methyl is there means, here it is a trend is changed. Here also electron releasing group is inductive effect. Methyl group is released to the nitrogen. When the methyl group is electron released to nitrogen means it is a stability is increases. This is a compared to ammonia, methyl amine is more basic. Next, coming to the secondary amine, if the dimethylamine is there means, dimethylamine is a 2 electron releasing group. 2 electron releasing group means basicity is still increases. This is the secondary amine is more basic than primary amine. Means dimethylamine is more basic than methylamine. Listen carefully. Coming to here on this factor, if you go for trimethylamine, according to this one, the methyl group is increasing, means basicity also increases. But here what will happen? Lack of space or steric hindrance, tertiary amine is less basic than primary amine. This is the trend is changed here. It is if the carbon or this is if the R or alkyl groups is methyl is there means, this is very, very important. If the methyl is there means, here what will happen? Secondary amines is more basic than primary amines. Primary amines is more basic than tertiary amines. Tertiary amines is more basic than ammonia. This is an important factor. When the basicity, when R equals to methyl is there means, when R equals to methyl is there means the basic strength is secondary is more stable than primary, primary is more stable than tertiary, tertiary is more stable than ammonia. Okay, this is the important factor. In case here instead of CS3, if the alkyl group is increases C2H5 is C2H5 NH2. What is this one? Ethylamine and methylamine. Here electron density, this is a alkyl group is increases which ethylamine is more basic than methylamine. Okay, here 1 R is equals to 1 is a ethylamine. This is a primary amine, this is a primary amine. Next I will write the secondary amine C2H5 NH C2H5. What is this one? This is a secondary amine. Secondary amines, this is a secondary amine. Here also alkyl releasing group is increases means basicity is also increases. Compared to secondary amine is more basic than primary amine. Next we will go for tertiary amine. C2H5 N C2H5 and C2H5. This is a tertiary amine. Okay, tertiary amine compared to here, the factor is N equals to C2H5, R equals to C2H5 means here the secondary amine is more basic than tertiary amine. Tertiary amine is more basic than primary amine. Primary amine is more basic than ammonia. All it is basicity is different compared to the ammonia and compared to the alkyl amine or compared to the bases or compared to R equals to CS3. When you will go for R equals to, where R equals to C2H5, this is the last factor. When R equals to C2H5, R equals to CS3. When R equals to C2H5 means basicity is what will happen. This is very, very important. Secondary amines is more basic than tertiary amines. Tertiary amine is more basic than primary amine. Primary amines is more basic than ammonia. These are all it is having a very, very important in entrance examination order, basicity order of primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. We can observe the pKb value. pKb value observed means if it is having a methyl secondary ethylamine, coming to here the ethylamines means we will observe it is a basicity of ethylamines. What will happen? Secondary ethylamine means it is a more basic strength. The pKb value is 3.0. When the pKb value is 3.0 means basicity is decreases. Okay, we will go for one by one detailed studies. Sidhu. Listen here, these are all it is having amines. Previous class we already discussed it is a methane amine. Methane amine means it is a primary amine. N-methane amine is a secondary amine. N, N dimethylamine is a tertiary amine. Here, secondary amine, this is the secondary amine. This is a primary amine. This one is tertiary amine. Listen here, secondary amine is pKb value is 3.27. Primary amine is pKb value is 3.38. And tertiary amine is pKb value is 4.22. Which one is pKb value is less? Secondary amine is pKb value is less. When the secondary amine is pKb value is less means, listen here carefully, when the pKb value is less means methylamine, if R equals to CS3 means here the secondary is more basic than primary. Secondary amines is more basic than primary amines. Primary amines is more basic than tertiary amine. We can observe the basicity of three amines. If the pKb value is decreases means basicity is increases. Here the which one is lowest is means this is the highest basicity. Okay, this is if R equals to, here what will happen? Here R equals to CS3. Coming to here, ethyl group is there means when R equals to ethyl means here coming to here ethane amine primary amine. Here diethylamine or N-ethyl ethane amine secondary amine. This one is triethylamine. Ethylamine, diethylamine and triethylamine. This is the IUPAC name. Ethylamine is a primary amine. Diethylamine is a secondary amines. This is a tertiary amine. Here order also. Here the all three factor primary, secondary and tertiary when it is having R equals to C2H5. When R equals to C2H5 means which one is less pKb value? pKb value is 3.0, 3.29, 3.22. Which one is less? Secondary amine is less. When it is having a secondary alkyl group is there means R equals to alkyl means ethylamine. Diethylamine is more basic than triethylamine. Triethylamine is more basic than ethylamine primary amine, and here ethylamine is more basic than ammonia. This is a very very important in basicity of when R equals to C2H5, R equals to CS3. Next we will go for compare with the aliphatic amine and aromatic amine. Come here, just you observe the table, which one is lowest pKb value. This is a 3.00 ethylamine. This N-ethylamine means diethylamine is a pKb value is lowest and highest basicity. Okay. Next compare with it is having a arylamine and alkylamine. Next we will go for it is a basicity of alkylamine and arylamines. Stop. Next we will go for the comparative basicity relationship between arylamine and ammonia. Previous class we have discussed means here alkylamine and ammonia, methylamine, ethylamine with compare with ammonia primary, secondary, tertiary. Coming to here arylamine and ammonia. Arylamine means here aniline. Aniline is the structure of aniline. This is a aniline. When the nitrogen which contain lone pair of electrons, it is donate electron to benzene. That is a mesomeric effect. Before we have discussed it is an inductive effect. This is a mesomeric effect. When it is a electrons is donate to benzene ring means here resonance stabilized is formed. Okay. This is a resonance structure. Next here the double bond, here resonance structure. Again here double bond is shifted to here, the electrons, resonance structure. Again when the electrons is shifted to double bond, the regenerated is aromatic character, electrons is stored here. This is resonance structure, resonance 1, 2, 3 resonance structure. What will happen if the electrons is donate? When electrons is donate means, here electrons is donate means, to form a stabilized, here ammonia, this is the ammonia, I will compare with ammonia, this is the ammonia which contain electrons, but here the electrons is donated to the benzene ring means the basicity is decreases. Generally the ammonia is a pKb value is 4.7 something is there means, but is a aniline or aniline the pKb value is more. If the pKb value of ammonia is less means basicity is increases. Here the electrons is donate. According to stability of ion, it should be the increase of basicity, but here the conjugation system here mesomeric effect is happened. If the aniline is aromatic amines or arylamine is less basic than ammonia. Less basic than ammonia. In case here aryl amine which contain NHCS3. Here it is coming to here inductive effect, but here mesomeric effect is there. Here inductive effect and mesomeric effect is there, but here the electron releasing group is increases, means basicity is increases compared to the aniline. Aniline and compare with it is a N-methyl aniline. Aniline and N-methyl aniline is basicity is increases. Coming to the here secondary tertiary amines, when we will go for N, N dimethyl, N, N dimethyl aniline, N-methyl aniline, only aniline. Coming to first one is ammonia and aniline. Ammonia is more basic than aniline. Okay, because it is a resonance stabilized to form mesomeric effect. Electrons is donate to benzene ring. Okay, next one coming to here, it is inductive effect is there and mesomeric effect is there. This is also will compare with the basicity. When coming to here, here also you will go for this is a benzene amine means aniline. What is the aniline is a pKb values. pKb value of aniline is 9.38. Listen carefully. pKb value of aniline is 9.38. Next coming to here pKb value of N-methyl aniline. pKb value of N-methyl aniline is how much? 9.30. 9.38 and 9.30. Which one is pKb value is less? N-methyl aniline is pKb value is less compared to aniline. This is a more basic than aniline. Coming to here, if the electron density is here, electron releasing group is increases, means basicity is increases. If the dimethyl aniline, N, N dimethyl aniline is a 2CH3 group is electron releasing group and basicity is pKb value is decreases, means basicity is increases. Here I will go for the show me here the amines. When here amines here, this is the aniline. Okay, next we will go for N-methyl aniline. Next we will go for N, N-dimethyl aniline. This is the pKb value of here 8.98. This is the pKb value of here 9.30. This is the pKb value of here 9.38. You will go for basicity, means here the N, N dimethyl aniline is more basic than N-methyl aniline. N-methyl aniline is more basic than aniline. Okay, this is the basicity. Next last one, you will go for benzylamine. What is benzylamine? Here this is a benzene. Next CH2NH2. Phenylmethylamine or benzylamine. Listen here. Benzylamine is also aromatic character, but amines group is not directly attached to benzene ring. Here all nitrogen amines, all nitrogen is attached to benzene, means all amine group is directly attached to benzene ring. pKb value is increases. Here amine group is attached to aliphatic carbon, next carbon is benzene ring, that is called as benzylic halide. Here what will happen? Here electrons releasing group is increases, means the pKb value is 4.70. Here the benzylamine means here coming to here, benzylamine is more basic. Okay, benzylamine is more basic than N, N dimethylamine. N, N dimethylamine is more basic than methylamine. Methylamine is more basic than aniline. This is the basicity of order of aromatic amines. We will compare with aromatic and ammonia. We will compare with aromatic ammonia as a primary, secondary and tertiary and benzylamide. These are all it is having very important basicity of amines compared with aliphatic and aromatic, and it is a next one is a aliphatic amine and aromatic amine is more basic than aromatic amine. Okay, next we will go for the chemical properties of amines in different characters. Okay, next we will go for alkylation of amines. Chemical properties, first one is the basicity of amine, next one alkylation of amine. What is alkylation? Addition of alkyl group. When the primary amine is react with primary amine, this is a primary amine, is react with alkyl halide, primary amine is react with alkyl halide to form secondary amine. We are already discussed in preparation of amines. Secondary amine with elimination of HX. Here hydrogen halide is elimination. Next we will go for the second one. Again it is react with one more molecules of alkyl halide. One more molecules of alkyl halide, here also HX to form tertiary amine. Tertiary amine, we will go for here on one derivatives, then here two derivatives. Okay, tertiary amine. Again tertiary amine is react with one more molecules of alkyl halide, one more molecules of alkyl halide to form quaternary ammonium salt, tetraalkyl ammonium salt, tetraalkyl ammonium salt, tetraalkyl ammonium salt. What will happen? The primary amine is react with excess of alkyl halide. If one moles of alkyl halide means secondary amine, another moles of alkyl halide means tertiary amine. Excess of alkyl amide means you will get a quaternary ammonium salt. Same I will take here, instead of R, CH3NH2. What is this one? The name is methylamine. When methylamine is react with, methyl iodide, here elimination of Hi, this is hydrogen iodide. Okay, to form CH3NH CH3. This is a secondary amine, means dimethyl amine. When the dimethyl amine is react with one more molecules of methyl iodide. Okay, here also one molecules of iodide Hi to form tertiary amines. This is a trimethylamine. Trimethylamine is last react with one more molecules of methylamine. Methyl iodide. Okay, to form tetramethyl. Listen here, tetra means 4. Tetramethyl ammonium iodide. Okay, this is the name is tetramethyl methyl ammonium iodide. Quaternary salt. This is aliphatic amine. You go for aromatic amine also. Aromatic amines means here C6H5 NH2. C6H5 NH2 means it is a aniline. Aniline is react with methyl iodide. Continuously, aniline is react with methyl iodide to form N-methyl aniline. Again, N-methyl aniline is react with 1 molecules of methyl iodide to form N, N dimethyl aniline. N, N dimethyl aniline. Again, N, N dimethyl aniline is react with 1 more molecules of methyl iodide to form N, N trimethyl ammonium. This is a product and this charge is negative. N, trimethyl phenyl ammonium iodide. Okay, trimethyl. This is a trimethyl phenyl ammonium iodide. These are all it is having a quaternary salt. Okay, these are all. What happens? Amines, aliphatic amines and aromatic amines is react with alkyl iodide. You will get a secondary amine, tertiary amine, quaternary ammonium salt. Okay, we will prepare. Sometimes they will ask, what happens the primary amine is react with 1 molecules of alkyl iodide is secondary amine. What happens the primary amines is react with 2 molecules of alkyl iodide is tertiary amine. What happens the amines is react with excess of alkyl halide or alkyl iodide means will get quaternary salt of ammonium iodide. Okay. Next, this is alkylation means addition of alkyl group. Next, we will go for acylation reaction. Next, we will go for acylation of amines. Another, the third chemical property is alkylation. This one is acylation. Acylation means when aliphatic or aromatic primary amines is react with acid chloride and acetic anhydride and ester. Okay, when it is these are react with primary amines, aliphatic and secondary amines to form a amides. We are using this reaction is called acylation. Listen carefully. When aliphatic or aromatic amines is react with acid chloride or anhydride or ester to form a acid amides, this reaction is called acylation. N-acylation means acyl group is introduced to nitrogen compounds, that is called as N-acylation, O-acylation. Ester means that is O-acylation, here N-acylation. Next here used is a base is when the amines is react with acid chloride, we have to use a strong base like pyridine. Okay, when we are using a strong other more than aminic base, it is having a strong base compared to the amines means we will go for the reaction is easily released hydrochloric acid. Okay, coming to the reaction wise, the general formula of amines means here I will take directly ethylamine is good example, is a C2H5 NH2. Okay, the name is ethylamine. When ethylamine is react with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, okay, acetyl chloride, acetic anhydride, CS3COCl, okay, in the presence of the base should be stronger than amine, pyridine, okay, base which undergoes here HCl is released. This is which undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. C2H5 NH, C2H5NH directly C double bond O, CS3. Okay, this is the functional group. The functional group is which functional group? Amide functional group. Suppose we are ethyl nitrogen is attached to ethyl group, that is a N-ethyl acetamide. N-ethyl acetamide. Next we will take here secondary amines. Secondary amine means C2H5 NH C2H5. Okay, secondary amines here diethylamine N, N diethylamine is react with acid chloride. Diethylamine is react with acid chloride CS3COCl in presence of base pyridine base. Here also elimination of HCl, nucleophilic substitution reaction, C2H5 N C2H5 CO CH3. The name is nitrogen. Ethyl group is attached to nitrogen, means N, diethyl N, diethyl acetamide N, dimethyl acetamide. Suppose here the primary amine is NH2 and secondary amine is NH. Suppose I am using tertiary amine, means tertiary amine does not contain hydrogen. Suppose I am using tertiary amine. Tertiary amine means C2H5 N C2H5 is react with acetyl chloride, does not contain hydrogen, means tertiary amine does not undergo acylation because does not having hydrogen group. Okay, here the primary and secondary amines is react with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride or ester to form amines derivatives, acid amide derivatives. You take here aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. Suppose I am using a C6H5 phenyl. Okay, this is a phenyl. Here product is phenyl ethyl amine or N-ethyl aniline is react with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine. Means aromatic amine. This is the aliphatic amines. This is the name is N-ethyl aniline. Okay, N-ethyl aniline or N-ethyl phenyl amine. Okay, is react with acetyl chloride which undergoes acylation to form the product is C6H5 NC2H5 CO CS3. Here N phenyl and ethyl okay, N-ethyl and N-phenyl acetamide. Okay, this is very important. This is a nucleophilic substitution reaction that is called as acylation. This is aliphatic and aromatic primary and secondary amines is only react with acid chloride to form acetamide. N, alkyl derivatives, primary amines, secondary amines. Okay, this is the important character of acylation. Next we will go for it is react with carbylamine test. Next we will go for the carbyl amine reaction or carbyl amine test. This is very important. Okay, in examination they will ask 2 to 3 marks question, Hoffman degradation, and this one is very important. What is carbyl amine test or carbyl amine reaction? I will explain carbyl amine test means in the laboratory you can do. This is a functional group of amines. Okay, you take one test tube, add aliphatic or aromatic amine, primary amines, and chloroform, and add alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Heat certain temperature to release is a false smell or very bad smell of organic compound is released. That is called as a carbyl amine test. The definition is that is a qualitative test. Qualitative test means you take one test tube, add primary amine, aliphatic or aromatic amine plus chloroform plus alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Heat the test tube means you will release the bad smell. What is the bad smell is or false smell is released. That is the carbyl amine. Okay. Explain it is a reaction wise. When aliphatic definition, when aliphatic and aromatic primary amines is heated with aliphatic or primary amine heated with chloroform and alcoholic ethanolic or alcoholic potassium hydroxide, it released carbyl amine or isocyanate. It is generated, it is a fall or bad smell substances. This reaction is called carbyl amine test. Okay, reaction wise, coming to your reaction wise, aliphatic or aromatic primary amine. Aliphatic amines means here the general formula of primary amine. Aliphatic and aromatic primary amine. Secondary amine and does not, secondary and tertiary amines does not showing in carbyl amine test. Only aliphatic and aromatic primary amines only showing carbyl amine test. First one, aliphatic or aromatic primary amine is react with chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide, to form the general formula RNC, alkyl isocyanate. Okay, alkyl isocyanate plus alkyl isocyanate plus here 3 molecules of potassium chloride, 3 molecules of potassium chloride plus 3 molecules of water. Okay, this is a aliphatic and aromatic primary amines. Okay, listen here, the sentence is when the aliphatic or aromatic primary amines heated with chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide, to form isocyanate or carbyl amine. This is a carbyl amine. It is showing a false substances or false smell or very bad smell. This reaction is called carbyl amine test. This is the definition. You take here, instead of R, you take methylamine. When methylamine is react with chloroform and potassium hydroxide, alcoholic potassium hydroxide, to form methyl isocyanate and 3 molecules of potassium chloride and released water molecules. This is one of the false smell Isocyanide is bad, very bad and small smell. This is also the methyl isocyanide. Methyl isocyanide. Methyl isocyanide. Okay, this is the one. Next one, you take aromatic amines. Aromatic means aniline. Okay, aniline is react with chloroform in presence of alcoholic potassium iodide. Heated with chloroform and potassium hydroxide to form isocyanobenzene. Isocyanobenzene. Okay, this is the. Sometimes they will ask, name the product when aniline is react with chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide means isocyanobenzene. If the methylamine means methyl isocyanide. This is very important. How it is formed, the reaction is how it is formed. We will show this is the different character. Suppose I will write here RNH2, listen here, RNH2 carefully. RNH2 is react with, this is important, RNH2 is react with CHCl3, CHCl3. Next, another one, the product is potassium hydroxide. How many molecules of potassium? KOH. Okay. The product is RCN. Listen here. RNC. Product is RNC plus 3 molecules of KCl. This is the 3 molecules of KCl. And released 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogen and 3 oxygen. Released water. This is the reaction. We can remember this is a technical. We have to use this method, means you will easily write it the product. Okay, this is the product is formed. Okay, here they will ask what is carbyl amine test, write equation, 2 marks. This is very important. We can use only aliphatic and aromatic amine, and the secondary and tertiary amine does not undergoes carbyl amine reaction. Okay, this is the important. This is the isocyanobenzene. Okay, this is the aniline. Sometimes it is having a cyclohexane amine is react with means is isocyanocyklohexane. This is a different product it will form. Okay, next we will go for it is primary amines is react with nitric acid or nitrous acid. We will discuss it later.